Good day everyone and welcome to our channel. I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the situation that we're facing nowadays. Today I will show you a stir-frying method, and I will be using squid. The squid has a shallow incision, and the sauce that I will be making is made with chicken stock, thickened with cornstarch and mango puree. The ingredient that I will be using for the veggies, it is the onions, red bell pepper and green bell pepper, and for the fruit, slices of near-ripe Indian mangoes and ripe mangoes slices. The squid, the veggies, they will all be quickly stir-fried and set aside. And then I'll be making the sauce. A combination of the chicken stock thickened with cornstarch and the mango puree. I will have it boiled, and then I will add all the ingredients, including the quickly stir-fried squid and the veggies. The seasoning, it will be salt and pepper and additional honey to catch up with the taste of Asians, especially like us Filipinos, to make it on the sweet side. But should you want to enhance the flavor, if you have some fresh rosemary leaves, then feel free to add some. By the way, for first timers, after watching this video, please subscribe. So, let's start. Okay guys, we'll start with our sauteed squid in mango sauce. Of course, our main ingredient is our squid. With of course, our vegetable is red bell pepper, green pepper, and onions. And for our sauce, we have our mango puree, and of course, a stock, chicken stock. And then to season is with our salt and pepper, and of course with calamansi juice. And to include in our dish is fresh mango slices and Indian mango slices. Okay, so first we will season the squid with salt and pepper. This is salt and pepper. Then we will season it, and then of course our calamansi juice. Okay, and then mix it. Then we'll just mix it thoroughly, and then we'll start to stir fry. Okay, now we will stir fry. We preheat our pan, our wok pan. Then we add some oil, then swirl it, and then add the squid. Okay. This is just stir frying. Okay. We will not be cooking this. We will just stir fry, just to seal the surface of the squid. Okay, so that's it. And then we'll take it out, and we'll start to saute the vegetables. Now we will stir fry the vegetables. Okay, and then we will take it out again and we will make the sauce. This we will do this so that we will not be overcooking our vegetables. Now we'll make the sauce. First, our chicken stock, and then our mango puree, and to make it sweeter, forgot to include earlier, we will put honey. Okay, so it's on the sweet side. Okay, and now we will add our squid and our vegetables. So we'll just bring this to boil, and then later on we will add our mangoes. So squid should not be overcooked, because the longer you cook the squid, the more it gets tough. So there goes the mango. Okay. So this is the stir-fried squid in mango sauce, of course with mango. Okay. So the chicken stock should already have a little cornstarch, thickened with cornstarch. Okay. So now it's ready. So we'll just transfer it into our container and then we will serve it. Now we will just be adding some chopped malunggay leaves on top as garnish, and it is healthier. So guys, this is our sauteed squid in mango sauce. Well, I believe I have shown you guys the technique to avoid the overcooking of squid, of seafood, especially squid, and vegetables. Squid, when it's overcooked, it gets tough. The longer you cook it, the tougher it gets. Next video guys, I'll be making a braised meat, and I'll try to get a nice meat from the market and use it for the next video. And again, first timers, don't forget to subscribe. So, this is Chef Ben Casamon signing off, and God bless us all.